Maybe we might add a little bit of potassium hydroxide to soften the soap.
Olive oil, we'll add olive oil. Ready?
This is the soap calculator. It gives the ingredients like castor oil, how much by weight, and we'll see later how we create that. And these are the essential oils which we are going to use for fragrance and for their vitamin E value in soap. And these are some of the old styled ether from different places from Pakistan. We'll add some castor oil and jojoba oil, known for its benefit for the skin. This is color, aloe vera, some of the potpourri stuff, sodium hydroxide, 100%. Maybe we might add a little bit of potassium hydroxide to soften the soap. Add some citric acid to give it some stability, and some glycerin, minor amount. Again, shea butter is to add some skin value. Salt to stabilize the whole system, and we'll use distilled water, and then we'll use this bath to heat up the stuff. So we'll use this blender to mix up the soap, and this is where we'll put our soap once it is ready. Did not mention that we will be using this 76% coconut oil for as main ingredient for our oil, and we'll use this scale to measure the soap. Some of these equipment to mix sodium hydroxide, water, etc.
We'll put
3 ounces.
Ingredients: castor oil 3 ounces. Weight on this. Castor oil.
Hey Google, timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Starting now.
And to that we will add
And then add the jojoba oil.
let's add 2.
Again, we'll add shea butter 5. Okay, a little more, that's okay. We'll re-zero it again. Olive oil, we'll add olive oil
3 ounces.
3 ounces. Re-zero it again. Glycerin, we'll add some glycerin 3.
3.5.
3.5. Adding 35 ounces of coconut oil. This is coconut, this white. Okay, it's 37, 35 approximately.
It's pretty high.
Water bath 147, 149.
And we'll
purpose?
For uniform heating.
For uniform.
मैं तो ऐसे ही बना लेने हैं, नहीं पानी पैना ना. And we'll
Okay. Now all these will melt and mix together. Warm it up so all the oils. Making homemade soap, halal soap. We'll measure the water and lye. Lye by weight and water by
water
weight.
by it. Water for hard soap and water for liquid soap.
Water.
जरा ब्रेक लो
16.6.
चला दो.
Lye 5.18, and we'll put a little bit of potassium at 0.38. Mm, 1.18.
0.38.
The stuff to
The water, not the other way.
water. Cold outside. Snow. Outside because it's going to
Let it mix.
it is going to create some fumes. 50 grams. Water to mix the salt. 129, that's good. That's the temperature of the oil. Same, almost.
So,
Collect all the essential oils. Lemon. A little bit of jasmine.
Belgium.
Belgian rose. Aloe vera. Yeah, that's plenty. This is ready. Almost. Salt water into the lye solution. Vera. Moment of truth. Adding the lye. pH value. Let's check the pH value. It's safe. 7 or so. We can double check with another with a strip pH value.
Is it strong?
So it should be 8 or 9. And put some water to it, and then
Very strong.
very strong oils. Oil separates again once it's you have to be careful about the splashes. This is the correct pH. On the strip, it is almost
8.
8, 9. Poured.